Welcome back, guys. This is episode 3. In this episode, I'm going to be doing some demolition and showing you a few tips and tricks to make your job a little bit easier. First off, you're going to need your air hammer, of course, which we already we discussed in the previous episode. So I'll go back to that episode to see the details. Secondly, we're going to need a respirator. You need this. This is very important. The dust that is created is fine. It can be very fine, so you don't want to breathe that in, and it will get all over. So you need a good respirator. This one cost me about 40 bucks, and it was well worth it. The third item is your pneumatic oil, and you're going to put 2 drops of that inside of the air hammer. Quick disconnect port prior to connecting your hose. Your next step is to connect the air hose to the air hammer. 2 clicks, and the main nipple of the air hose should be, the majority of it should be inside of the quick disconnect. After connecting the air hose to the air hammer, your next step is to connect the other end of the air hose to your compressor. At this point, you want to regulate the pressure to the air tool, and remember, for my air hammer, we need to have 90 psi. So you'll see that mark. You don't want to go over 90 psi. That's actually the max.